Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we all have this kind of ladder in our house, and if you are not using it recently, so you can do a easy home decor with this. So let's get started. First, I am attaching the string light to the ladder to decorate it. In the first section, I am putting a air purifier and a showpiece that I made. You can just decorate with anything. In the next section, I am keeping some books, then my favorite Carva music player. Next, I take some pot puree in a cup and putting it here. This smells great actually. This is a hand-painted mug I made a long time back. Just gonna keep it here. And a little teddy. This is a owl that my friend gifted me. In the next section, I am keeping this painting. I also painted this. Then a showpiece. You can also keep a candlelight like this in here. In the last section, I am putting a flower plant. And again, a showpiece that I bought from Handloom Fair. So this is the final look. This is just perfect to spice up your room and easy to do. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel.